Today, I will be showing you how to upgrade the speaker drivers on a fake JBL Flip 5. I won't be showing you how to disassemble this speaker because I already uploaded a video on how to do that. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you watch the teardown video first before watching this. Link for that video will be in the description. Anyways, if you already seen it, then please continue watching. These are the new 45mm speaker drivers I'll be using. The original speakers in the fake are not 8 watts, but only 5 watts. I bought these because the amplifier I'll be using in part 2 will be stronger than the stock amplifier. For now, I just wanted to see how it performs with the original amplifier board. So side-by-side comparison, you will notice that the new speaker drivers have more height to its magnets, which means I will need to modify some things inside. I'm just transferring the tape from the old ones to the new drivers so we can block some air from going out. Time to connect the new ones and see if it works. As you can see, it's working well. As I mentioned before, these ones have more height on their magnets, so it won't fully close. So I need to remove a little bit of plastic that holds the speaker in place and also change the location of the battery. Once those things are modified, now it can be closed all the way. Time to put everything back so we can hear what it sounds like with the new drivers. Alright, the speaker sounds okay, but with the equalizer on, it sounds better. But the problem is, it's not loud enough for me. I want it to be louder while the equalizer is on, and there's no surprise there because the amplifier board is not strong enough for these speakers. So in part 2, I will upgrade the amplifier to a much stronger one, and also the battery needs to be replaced because the playtime is not so good. I already have an amplifier board in mind for this project, but I am open to suggestions. If you know of an amplifier that is strong enough and can easily fit in this enclosure, let me know. Remember, we have limited space and we can't use more than one 18650 battery. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the part 2. Peace.